OFW ka man ngayon, gusto kong maging malinaw ito sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangan ng mas maraming opportunity. Hindi mo kailangan magpalipat-lipat ng negosyo. Ang kailangan mo ay skill. Because opportunity will always exist. But without skill, kahit saan ka pumunta, pareho lang ang magiging struggle. Real talk, ilang beses ka na bang sumubok? Ibang produkto, ibang kumpanya, ibang sideline. Pero pareho pa rin ang problema. Hindi predictable ang sales, minsan may kita, minsan wala. At kapag wala, stress, doubt, overthinking. Hindi dahil mahina ka, kundi dahil wala pang structured system. At kung hindi mo ito aayusin ngayon, next year, ganito pa rin ang sitwasyon, same cycle. Real estate, online selling, networking, service business. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-generate ng leads, kung hindi predictable ang proseso, mahihirapan ka pa rin. That is why skill comes first. Akala ng marami, pera ang unang panlaban sa ads. Yes, factor siya. But it's not a two basis. Skill ang panlaban. May mga advertiser na gumagastos ng 1,000 pesos kada araw, pero walang malinaw na structure. At may mga marunong mag-structure ng campaign na kahit 300 pesos lang ang budget, mas controlled ang testing. Mas malinaw ang galaw at mas maayos ang performance. Hindi dahil maswerte sila, kundi dahil marunong sila. Budget can amplify results, but structure determines direction. At kung wala kang structure, kahit taasan mo pa ang budget, magiging mas mabilis lang ang pagkalat ng mali. That's the difference. Facebook ads has changed many times. Algorithm updates, policy changes, system reset. Maraming nalilito, maraming sumusuko. Pero kami, we survive every shift. Not because of hacks, not because of tricks. That's the reason why we are still here. It's because we focus on structure, not tricks. Kapag structure ang alam mo, kahit magbago ang platform, hindi ka basta-basta mawawala. Hindi kami umaasa sa loopholes, hindi kami umaasa sa hacks. We build systems that adapt. And that's what we are teaching you inside the Predictable Ads 3-day masterclass. Not shortcuts, but principles that survive changes. Because when you understand structure, kahit magbago ang platform, hindi ka mawawala. Kung nagra-run ka ng ads ngayon, pero parang hope and pray method ka pa rin, that's not scaling. That's uncertain. Predictability comes from clear structure, strong positioning, measured decisions, system. And once you understand those, hindi na random ang galaw mo. Sa day 1, iintindihin mo kung paano talaga gumagana ang ads manager. Step by step para hindi ka na natatakot sa dashboard. Hindi ka na nanghuhula, hindi ka na umaasa sa boost post. You will understand structure. At kapag malinaw ang structure, mas confident ang galaw mo. Sa day 2, matututunan mo ang 4 pillars of irresistible ads. Bakit may ads na pinapansin at bakit may ads na ini-ignore? Offer, message, positioning, and creative. Kapag mali ang mga ito, kahit malaki ang budget, mahihirapan ka pa rin. Pero kapag tama, mas malinaw ang response, mas controlled ang testing, mas may direksyon. Sa day 3, makikita mo ang automation framework para hindi ka na naka-manual process. Lead capture, filtering, follow-up structure. Dito nagsisimula ang mas predictable na proseso. Marami ang nagsasabi, ang hirap ng ads. Sa umpisa, may learning curve. Pero karamihan, nahihirapan dahil wala silang tamang guide. Once may clarity ka, iba ang confidence, iba ang mindset, iba ang approach mo sa business. At dito ka dapat magkabigil. Because this is not about hype. This is about control. Let me tell you something. The market is not slowing down. Competition is not getting smaller. Technology is not waiting. At kapag dinidelay mo ang pag-aral ng ganitong skill, next year, mas mahirap pa itong aralin. The best time to build skill is habang stable ka pa. hindi kapag pressured ka na. Kung nakinig ka hanggang sa point na to, then you already know this is not about hype. Hindi ito tungkol sa swerte-swerte. Hindi ito tungkol sa bagong opportunity. It's about skill. At kung ready ka na mag-level up, hayaan mo kaming ipakita sa'yo kung paano buuin ang skill na to, step by step. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert ngayon, hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Ang kailangan mo lang mag-decide. Click the button below, secure your seat inside the Predictable Ads 3-day Masterclass. And for the next 3 days, allow us to guide you. Allow us to show you the structure. Allow us to help you build something na dala mo kahit saan ka mapunta. We'll take it from there. See ya inside. Click the button below now.